Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully students you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 3 of geography, settlement and land use. So as the title suggests that in this particular chapter we are going to discuss settlement, types of settlement, settlement hierarchy and different functions of settlement. So let's begin with the definition of settlement, what settlement is. So the definition says settlement, it is a place where people used to live together and carry out different social and economic activities. As you know, by nature human beings, they cannot live alone. There are different needs of human beings and they can only be fulfilled if we live in a society. तो इसी वजह से इंसान humans, they used to live in the society and they makes the settlements, which is called as the human settlements. Okay, so human settlements that includes the huts, hamlet, villages and towns and mega cities. So basically human settlements, these are the places in which people used to live together to fulfill their needs and to carry out their social and economic activities. Now let's have a look on the types of settlements. So basically there are two types of settlement. One is rural and the other one is urban settlement. Now let's have a look on the settlement hierarchy. In this hierarchy you can see here a pyramid, and in this pyramid you can see there is a hierarchy mentioned of the settlement. So अर्बन सेटलमेंट और जो रूरल सेटलमेंट है, दोनों की हायरार्की इस पिरामिड के अंदर मौजूद है. एंड द फर्स्ट वी हैव द farmstead to village. From farmstead to village we have the rural settlement. It is a part of the rural settlement. So let's first have a look what is a farmstead. It refers to a building or an area where the people live and the services area that is associated with the farm. So therefore we called it as a farmstead. Next we have the hamlet. Hamlet basically it is consist of few houses, and these houses, they are located far from each other. Next we have the village. What is village? Village basically that is larger than a hamlet and smaller than a town. So next to the village, this from farmstead to the village we have discussed the rural settlement. सबसे पहले आपके पास क्या आया? farmstead. farmstead के बाद आपके पास क्या है? hamlet. hamlet के बाद क्या है? we have the village. village, large rural settlement having small market, mud or semi-cemented houses. Its population can be of roughly 5,000 and to 6,000 we can see. Now let's come toward the set of urban settlement which starts from the town to the megalopolis. Now first let's begin with the town. What is town? Town that is larger than a village but smaller than a city. The definition of a town says that it is a larger than a village but a smaller than a cities provide a higher level of services. That's why हम इसको किस कैटेगरी में रख रहे हैं? अर्बन सेटलमेंट में, क्योंकि इसमें टाउन में भी कुछ फैसिलिटीज़ ऐसी होती हैं जो कि सिटीज़ में मौजूद होती हैं. सो बेसिकली टाउन में भी वो फैसिलिटीज़ मौजूद होती हैं, इसलिए हम इसको कंसीडर करते हैं इन अर्बन सेटलमेंट. इट प्रोवाइड अ हायर लेवल ऑफ सर्विसेज सच एज बैंक, पोस्ट ऑफिस, हॉस्पिटल, स्कूल and the population that is round about 10 to 20,000 people in a town. Now let's talk about what is a city. As you know, we are living in a city in Rawalpindi. So city क्या है? It is greater in size, in population than a town, and it has more facilities and functions. It performs more specialized functions as compared to the town. Like commercial centers are there, and then the housing societies are there, colleges, universities, recreational centers, and transportation system is much better than the town. Okay, next let's talk about the conurbation. Conurbation, what it is basically a region comprising of number of cities. Cities यानी कि दो लार्जर सिटीज़, टू लार्जर सिटीज़, उसको हम कॉन्वर्बेशन कहेंगे. ठीक है. इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ सेवरल टाउन्स टुगेदर बट ईच टाउन स्टिल मेंटेन इट्स आइडेंटिटी. लाइक We can take an example of Rawalpindi and Islamabad. Rawalpindi, it has its own identity. Islamabad as a capital, it has its own identity. But हम इसको conurbation की category में भी लेके आ सकते हैं. Next we have, and the last we have, is megalopolis. This is the largest type of the urban settlement. It is a cluster of well-networked cities. Areas larger than cities are called megalopolis. Usually its population is more than 10 million. Karachi, Kolkata, Mumbai and New York, these are the example of megalopolis. It is megalopolis, basically these are the cluster of well networked cities. तो उसको हम मेगलोपोलिस कहते हैं, जो कि टॉप पे है, जिसकी पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज़्यादा है और जिसमें सर्विसेज और स्पेशलाइज्ड फंक्शन जो हैं वो दे परफॉर्म्स मोर फंक्शन एज कम्पेयर टू द अदर लाइक सिटीज़ एंड कन्वर्बेशन. सो होपफुली यू हैव अंडरस्टूड माई लेक्चर. थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट्स. अल्लाह हाफिज़.